Hey, welcome back to the channel. Yes, it's Crystal here of Crystal's Classy Life. Okay, that's right. It's Crystal's Classy Life now. I changed my channel name. I'm no longer Couponing Crystal because I'm not a one-trick pony, guys. I don't just coupon. I'm actually a reseller now. If you have not heard, that's right. I am a reseller on Instagram and just in general. So I have changed my channel name. I hope you guys will still stick around and come and have fun with me. I appreciate all you guys' support. On today's video, we are going to be talking about a coupon deal, and we are going to be talking about some reseller stuff. What happened this past weekend, I've actually started, well, my daughters are both doing it. My daughters are both resellers, and we did a combined ship live sale. So I wanted to share that with you guys. So let's jump into it. Okay, here it is. This is all the orders. Well, minus two. Two are not ready to go yet from the weekend group sales, combined shipping I did with my daughters. Yeah, so here we go. They got some good stuff coming, classy and top quality. And Emily's Yatima. And I got a coupon deal for y'all. Ain't this something? Crystal actually went to CVS totally out of mouthwash. Can you believe it? All that couponing and I'm out of mouthwash. I needed a new toothbrush for myself. So this is what I decided to do. I have not gotten rid of my Care Pass. I still have my Care Pass, of course. And there was a deal on the Colgate mouthwash. Spend 10, get 5. And my little toothbrush. These were like, the mouthwashes were $5.29 each. And my toothbrush was actually $7.99. But there ended up being a $5 coupon on my CVS app. And of course, I had my $10 Care Pass. And there was I had a 2% back in extra bucks, which was like 42 cents. I had a $2 coupon off of this Oral-B toothbrush that was on my app, which made for a great deal. I'm going to show you my receipt. Hold on just a minute. Okay, let's look at it. So we got the Colgate. Okay, $5.29, $7.99 for the toothbrush. We had a Oral-B Power Battery, $2 off. We had the $10 Care Pass. The $5 off your purchase was just sitting in my app. Didn't even know it was there. And then I had 42 cents. That was 2% back in extra bucks. So ultimately, I paid out of pocket $1.16 plus the 21 cents in tax. Made for a bomb deal. And I got my $5 Easter book. I got my $5 Easter book. I was so excited. I said, ooh, I still got it. I still got my coupon mojo. This is what my office looks like after you ship out that much stuff. Like a freaking train wreck. I turned it into a train wreck. Okay? It is a hot mess up in here. And yeah, I got to clean it up. I'll clean it up when I get back. There's my 2 ring lights. Yeah, and it's just, it's a hot mess up in here. Hot mess. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put all this stuff in my car. I'm going to do, part is going to be UPS and part is going to USPS. Yeah. I'm getting my lunch so I can go to work. My house is a hot mess, okay? Let me just let y'all know that. We had like chicken quesadillas from a kit from Sam's Club last night, and that's what I'm going to be taking today. I ate mine on Doritos. Richard had his on soft shell tacos. It actually comes in a kit like this from Sam's Club. It has chicken, cabbage, and the soft shell tacos. My refrigerator's a hot mess, and I'm going to take a Crustable for breakfast. This is my husband's new peanut butters and jellies. I don't make peanut butters and jellies anymore. I don't have time, so he has to get 2 of the Uncrustables, and I buy them in a box in the frozen section at Sam's Club. Yeah, yeah. That's how it's going down here in the Chateau Franklin. Crystal ain't got time to do crap. Finally in the freaking car, okay? I just feel like I don't have no kind of work-life balance. My house is a hot mess. I got to not do anything relating to my business today, and I have got to get my house straight. It's just like, I cannot. I didn't even crate my car, let my car warm up. It's just like, then I'm going out the door, and the daggum strap to my coat gets stuck in the door, about to tear my freaking coat up. I'm just like, tripped over a package, busted the package open. Y'all didn't see none of that. Then I thought it was somebody else's package. I'm getting ready to reprint the label, about to reprint the wrong freaking label. Had to open the package again. I was like, you know what? You're going to get your life together before it's over with. Now what I'm doing, I am actually heading to USPS and the post office. It's one post office that's near my house, but I don't like that post office. It's the people that work there. They act like they got an attitude. I don't know. It's just, I don't know. I don't like their vibe. I've been there. And honestly, I don't want to go to that one. It's very small. Parking is very limited. And it just seems like to be a headache every time to go to that actual post office. So I don't think I'm going to go to that one. I think I'm going to probably just go to USPS that's near my house up the street. And then I'm going to probably just go to the post office that's near my job. Yeah, and just scan in on the machine so I don't have to stand in line. It's just, I need a wagon. That's what I need to invest in, some type of collapsible wagon to where when I take my packages in, I'm not having to do the most and make multiple trips. But I'm parking in front of USPS in Fire Lane today. UPS. I'm parking in front of the door today. Ham sandwich. I'm parking in front of the door today. Because I ain't doing it. I ain't got Amber. I ain't got my backup. Twin ain't with me. So I'm going to have to do it on my own. I know that you can arrange for pickups, but I can't arrange for pickups. You know why? Because I'm not at home during the day. I'm at work. I'm not lugging these packages to work to have them to pick them up from my job. That's doing the most. If I'm going to lug them in the office, I might as well lug them in the store, you know? Yeah, so you can arrange, I do believe, for pickups and things of that nature, but yeah, I'm not going to be doing that because, I mean, I'm not home. If I was at home, I most certainly would arrange for them to come pick the packages up. Sure enough. Happy Saturday, lovely people. I am back. I'm trying to close out this vlog. Yeah. Haven't picked the phone back up to record anything. Today is actually, Saturday morning. Saturday morning, I'm going to mail off a package because we didn't have the person's address. And that's what I'm going to do. And what did I do yesterday? What we did last night, my daughters and I, we actually had a live sale last night. Yeah, I'm like the worst blogger ever. Days later, it's actually Tuesday now. The weekend has passed. We did live sales every day. We did Friday, we did Saturday, we did Sunday, we did combined ship. Didn't do a sale on Monday. Yeah. So now what's taking place is I'm trying to prepare for what I want to do on Black Friday. I'm contemplating if I want to actually come on Wednesday and run it through the weekend. I'm thinking about doing that. Yeah, so I was bouncing some ideas off my husband. I really want to share the classy scarf and the loop scarf, the scarves that I make. I'm thinking about doing like a door buster type sale with those two items. And of course, just running sales all weekend because, it's Christmas shopping time. Even though I'm a reseller of used items, a lot of times I do find items new with tag. Okay, so that is amazing. That is great to find items new with tag. Now, if you are a thrifty person and you buy secondhand items and your family knows that you buy secondhand items, then it's no big deal to give them, a gift that's secondhand. What do you guys think about that? How would you feel about getting a secondhand gift? Now, of course, all of myself, my daughters, we are all thrifters, so we do not care about that. We already know the item is going to be washed because they're going to wash it. They're going to put it in a box. They're going to wrap it. And it's like, I get the bomb gifts from them at Christmas because they know what I like and they know, what to get their mama. They know what I like. Recently, and we buy from each other while we're on the live. I recently got two super cute pairs of boots. I got a green pair that I have on today, and then a black pair with fringe that actually matches a black leather purse that I got from another reseller that has fringe on it. So I'm like, yeah, those boots have fringe on the back. They're going to match my pocketbook. So, yeah, I'm going to be coordinated. So are you guys going to cook this Thanksgiving, or are you going to spend time with family? I really don't feel like cooking. Can I just opt out of the cooking part this year? Okay. We're actually going to one of my daughter's houses, which is really, really not going to hurt my feelings. Okay. I'm excited. Nobody's going to be at my house. Therefore, I don't have to do any, cleaning up after the fact. I'll help clean up at her house, but I can just get in my car and come home and get in my bed or jump on live and sell some stuff. Which 9 times out of 10, what I'm going to do, I'm going to jump on live and sell some stuff. Chris ain't going to bed. Y'all already know it's the weekend. I ain't got to go to work. They're going to be sick of me on Instagram. They're going to be sick of me on Instagram. Well, I haven't even purchased what I'm going to make. 9 times out of 10, I'm probably going to do broccoli casserole. I do that every year. My husband will probably do his macaroni. Yeah, and heck, I don't know what else I'm going to do, but I'm not doing a lot. I basically told one of my daughters, I said, if you want to eat it, I suggest you cook it. Yeah, I'm on that this year. My focus is really on, this is the first holiday, like Thanksgiving or big holiday, that I've been on IG actually selling. And I kind of want to, fill it out, see what it's going to be like. I feel like the preparation, I don't feel like I'm as prepared as I would like to be with the amount of product that I have, but I just want to kind of fill it out and see what people are buying, what type of lives are the other resellers doing. Yeah. And I think that's kind of where my focus is with this year. I think next year I'll be a little more prepared. I'll be better prepared. I feel that I will. Did want to close the vlog out. I didn't want to kind of leave it hanging. I didn't want to have too many days kind of running together, but I did want to share that shipping out experience with you guys because it is a whole process. And sometimes it's a bear, okay? I'm just going to say it. We did a shipment that was like a week long. Can you imagine 3 people selling on live for about 6 days straight? I'm going to see if I can put a clip in of all the packages that we had. Oh, it was crucial. It was real. I'm about to stutter. It was real crucial. It was real crucial, y'all. And I said, we can't do that again. About 2 to 3 days is about the max. I will not ever do that again because shipping out to California, Shipping is crazy. I'm talking like $50 to mail a box. Yeah. So that's crazy. Okay, that's crazy. But that is it, guys. I'm going to check in with you guys, see how your Thanksgiving went. I hope you all are enjoying your holiday. Some of y'all are probably off from work. You're probably not even at work like I am. I'm at work. On my break. Yeah, I'm at work. Drinking a hot chocolate. In here chilling like a villain by myself because I'm in the office by myself and they ain't never going to hurt my feelings. That's about the perk of being here by myself. How many people would you like to work in an office by yourself? Let me pose the question. Would you like to work in an office by yourself? Let me know. And if you would, why? My reason is I'm not sharing a toilet. Don't have to share a bathroom. I clean the toilet myself because I said the cleaners don't do a good enough job. So I fired them. I clean my own office. I don't need y'all to do that. We don't need to pay for that. I done been here 8 years. So I'm probably the only one the cleaners don't come and clean me office. No, I bring my own stuff in. Yeah. I'm here. Hell, I'm here more than I am at my own freaking house. I might as well be comfortable. I'm here drinking hot chocolate right now. All right, guys, that's it. I will end this vlog and I will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.